Today in Judge Boyd's courtroom we have James Koji Davis, a defendant who's been convicted of illegal use of a debit card and unlawful possession of a gun by a convicted felon. Let's see how Stephanie dispenses justice, Texas style.
All right, can I have a file stamp for a plea, please? No problem. Cindy, are you ready? Court is calling 2024 CR 012793. State versus James Cody Davis. Do I have parties announced?
Jason Garrett, half the state, Your Honor.
I'm reporting for Mr. Davis.
And are you James Cody Davis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Davis, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, the state is proceeding on count 1 and count 3, waiving count 2 and count 4.
Any objection?
No objections.
Did-
And they're waiving the
It was in there, waiving the answer.
Oh, there it is. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with fraudulent possession or use of credit or debit card. More than 10 items, but less than 50 items in count 1. And in count 3, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. Count 1 is a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years. Count 3 is a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison. And both carry a maximum fine of $10,000. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you were giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I did.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Davis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on counts 1 and counts 3. Punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 006038. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defensive, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count 1 in the indictment, how do you plea?
No contest.
Count 3 in the indictment, how do you plea?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all the attachments.
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of counts 1 and counts 2, and the court will find, counts 1 and counts 3, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Please, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we respectfully request the court follow the agreement.
And state, is there any restitution that's owed?
As I don't have the file, I don't know what Duffy would have that, so. It's a to-do office, so I think that we won't be asking for that.
All right. The court is going to order restitution if there's any restitution.
I don't believe there's going to be any judgment.
All right, the court is going to find you guilty of counts 1 and counts 3. Counts 1 and counts 3 will run concurrently. The court will sentence you to 3 years TDC in count 1 and 3 years TDC in count 3. This is both counts are to run concurrently. Taking consideration 2025 CR 006038. There's to be restitution, if any, and no contact with the following persons. And the court will give you credit for any time served. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Judge. When it comes to the credit time served, I need to check in. I believe he was in jail on this, made bond, was back in jail, but it was still showing he was on bond for about 1 month during this time.
All right, if
So-
you'll confer with the clerks on that, we'll make sure he receives appropriate credit.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you better do better, otherwise you're gonna end up living in somebody's prison. Oh, I have this.
Oh, you would have.
I think so,
Oh.
but that's okay. If it's twice, you're good.
If it's twice.
Yes. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you for your patience to both my attorneys.
Oh, you're welcome. That's what we're here for.
I've been waiting for so long, now I finally found someone to stand by me. I've been waiting for so long, now I finally found someone to stand by me.